Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to generate an invoice in the PMS application after the checkout has been completed. Let's get started. First, head over to the front office module. From there, click on the checkout section. Here, you'll see a list of rooms that are ready for checkout. If the room's checkout hasn't been completed yet, make sure to finish that step first. Once the room status changes to checked out, you'll notice an action button appear next to it. Click on Generate Invoice. A pop-up window will open. If you have GST details, go ahead and enter them here. Don't have any? No worries. You can simply toggle off the GST section. Next, choose the type of invoice you want to generate. You'll see three options: food plus room plus others room. Only food only for this demo. Let's select food plus room plus others. Now click on Submit, and that's it. The invoice has been generated successfully. If you have any questions or need help using the PMS, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Don't forget to check out the other tutorial videos linked in the description for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.